name is CHANAKYA. I am from Gurukula school. I am 8th class. So I'm going to say about fitness, which is about the purpose of the Milky Way galaxy and space. Space is known as a gigantic place in all of the Fortunates universe because it's having like a double Fortunates, having to the navigations, the power versions, having many of the machines which is correlated by Fortunation, is holding a calm of a person that is a real affectionation which we see in every direction. So space is more apart about the black holes, white holes, poisonous rays, dynamic, and these are the most dangerous and the most critical creature that's known as a physical objects which will be connecting to the water part to another part, but this can destroy or invisible anywhere first. So such as a black hole is surrounded by fortunation coming with the culminating of every force, the rotation which is having in the curve of the oceanus, that will be very ridiculous. How the speed is of every planet is going moving, the small heaviness will be condensated into antiseptic portion. If a small one fails, that's not a big problem. If having a medium one, that's a little bit of a problem. But this gigantic one, it can cover and it can take the more caution on the patient. That's called a pivot. So that can magnetic having a that's of a power that can pull anything inside of it. And even the scientists don't know where the black hole takes the other planets and other gigantic places like stars versions. So scientists are calculated there are trillions of stars now, but up to the black holes of these seasons, this is the confirmation. Now their stars are millions because of the game of the calcination is rotating bands. And even we don't know that if a black hole was up captured, it will not be like this, like lights, shadows, and forms. There is only the darkness is present on it. Because people in the cosmic, if we travel into the black hole from a spaceship or any navigating rockets, it will be definitely a bad idea because it's a lot of communicative fortunation which is not also communicate another people to say which is the tricks for it. Even the scientists don't know how the black hole was creating, we know it, but how and where it takes even someone is not good. And coming to the Achelon's ray, that's a vivid and the powerful ray of weapons. A come of a group of stars approaching in a one side and having a communicative burst of a friend. So in the bursts of a galaxy of a magnetic power, so an example for it is easy. If the version we can live in space, that's not possible because if you live many times in space, our body parts will be removed off, but we'll be alive because of a hydrogenetic animation oneness. This is the most specific one. This is person that scientists told if we stay right there, it will be very weird and very critically distressed. So that's the beginning of the star same. The planes of a 5 combinations of portion that will be contested like up, down, 2. That will becomes in a one naked and becomes a huge circle having like a wheel. Having a circle is pounded in the center hole and keeping a stick on it. It's called a stick portion and that becomes like this. So it will be rotating very fastly and it takes like a direction or any east. So it comes if hits any planet or any asteroid, it will be blast off. It destroys ridiculously with the communicator and navigates in the portion. So they're having lots of questions like this, like they are like this in the planet, the humans are staying. So in other planets they're having aliens. Even we can't say because that is a benefic question. We are living just only the earth. But if we go to another baseball like Hansel Kahneman was first another director who was said it animals are different from aliens because they are mixed with metals all over the sun's direction in the kinemic in the portionless. And coming from that, animals, humans, metals, sands, trees, animals, Womanican soils and everything is mixed, but that this may be called an alien. Even we can't say it, but there are like some videos which is also provided in YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, but they are really fake.